What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another property update video. And in this video, as you can see from the title and also from the thumbnail, we'll be talking about Catching Estate. Alright, and this is a development by the Housing Agency of Jamaica and is now being offered through the National Housing Trust. Alright, so today we'll be offering a total of 47 studio and 1 bedroom units. Okay, guys, so I know a lot of you might have thought that these were all sold. However, some was reserved for the National Housing Trust, which are now available for sale. And you can head over to the National Housing Trust website on the 25th of May, and the period runs until the 27th of May, and applications open at 8 a.m. and will close on May 27th at 8 p.m. Alright, guys, so what will be available for you to apply for will be 28 one-bedroom units, and the price range from $7 million to $7.95 million. And then for persons who are looking to purchase the studio units, you'll have 19 studio units, range from $6 million to $6.8 million. All right, and subject to affordability, the NHT is offering 100% financing. You can only apply for these units on the web portal for the National Housing Trust, which I will put at the bottom of this video. So you can go on Wednesday, May 25th to put in your application. All right, hope you guys have already gotten your pre-approved letters and you have your documents ready to go. If not, you still have time to go out and get it so that you are ready for May 25th. Okay, guys, so the NHT will reserve a number of these solutions for public sector workers as well as for persons with disability. So guys, you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to grab one of these units. And Catching Estate is located on the Salton Road between Spanish Town and Portmore. So you have easy access from the Spanish Town bypass, as well as down the Olden, where you can also access into Portmore area. Alright, guys, so you can go out on the portal the 25th of May for the application for the Silversun Estate unit. Remember the price, $7 million to $7.95 million for the 1-bedroom units, and the studio units are going for $6 million to $6.8 million. And I'll give you guys the overhead shot. As you can see, this was from a previous video, so you can go ahead and check that out. The link will be in the description. If you want to find your way to Catching Estate, you can find that in the video as well as what the units will be looking like on the lot. So guys, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave us your comments down below. If you need to know something, we can get the information for you. Just leave it down below. So thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you in another video.